So I'm going to vote today as a good citizen of Canada. Okay, are we ready? Hey, who are you voting?
Trump.
Trump. Oh, Duterte is the best. No, Trump. Duterte. One party that we're picking. So you just go for a booth in there and then...
Yours really cool?
Yes. Yeah. That I am entitled to vote in this election. Eligibility to register. I declare that I am a Canadian citizen. I have been a BC resident since April 23, 2020. I'm 18 or older on October 24, 2020 and have not already voted in this election.
Perfect. Thank you.
Okay, let's check this out. So we just need to be in here and I'm number... Okay.
Alex going in the box. Can you show me the white stuff?
And there.
Can you just show me, please?
Okay.
So it's like perfect. It goes around there. Yeah.
All right, thank you. So that's how you do it. You just need to go in like that, and ta-da! Bottom is conservative. There's another one, liberal, DP,
And then there's a Christian heritage.
and a Christian heritage. And I voted for secret. Yeah, what you think, Jonas?
Well, I just really pray that God's going to intervene for this country and just allow us to have a healed land.
Mm-hmm. So that was easy. It's just seconds after you've done it, it's done. So yeah, we just finished voting and what?
What'd you vote for?
I voted for, I tried to find Duterte but it's not in there. I'm so upset. I wanna vote President Duterte. Hi Tatay Digong, how are you doing? I hope everything well in our place there, and I'm hoping and praying that everything will be solved, like all the problems that you're yung kinakaharap mo ngayon. But yeah, tell me who you voted for and tell me why. And it should be fun to get all the ideas of people, right? I want to hear from you. What do you think? So right now I'm just driving and going to drop my son to his friends and to just have fun there. Okay, tell me, and please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, right, Charlie boy? Say that, Charles. Okay, Charles, what do you think about politics? Do you have idea about politics? This guy is on fire. Wow, that's a good twist. So yeah.
In the middle of this, I'm just going to interrupt it kind of to say, please like and subscribe, and when you're in the comments, please comment on what you want us to explore next. Thank you.